Hello, my dear students. Welcome again to our science online class. Hope that all of you are fine and safe. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Before starting my today's lecture, I would like to introduce myself. It is Shabrin Shupriti, lecturer, Department of Biology. Dear students, today I am discussing some topics from chapter 7 and all these topics are very important for your upcoming examinations. Okay, let's see. What is acid? Weak acid, strong acid. What is acid? Which substance produces hydrogen ion in water is called acid. Now let's see. What is weak acid? There are some acids which do not dissociate completely in water. That means all the acid molecules present do not produce hydrogen ion. These acids are called weak acids. Maximum weak acids are inorganic. Strong acid. Mineral acid completely dissociate in water to produce hydrogen ion. All the acid molecules present undergo dissociation. But there are some acids which is not an organic acid but a weak acid. Example, carbonic acid. Some important and strong acids are weak acid, acetic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, and strong acids are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid. There is a chart and this chart you will show in your book, textbook. Base. Bases are substances that in aqueous solution release hydroxide ions, are slippery to the touch, can taste bitter in an alkyl, change the color of indicators, react with acids to form salts. In a word, a base is a substance that can neutralize the acid by reacting with hydrogen ion. Change in color of indicators by chemical reactions. Salt. Salt are the products obtained by the chemical reaction between acid and base. Example, sodium chloride, sodium carbonate, potassium nitrate, etc. Baking soda is a salt. Baking soda produces hydrogen ion in water. On the other hand, sodium bicarbonate is alkaline. Carbonate salts react with acid and produce a new salt, carbon dioxide gas and water. Almost all the salts are solid, having high melting point and boiling point. Most of the salts are soluble in water. However, there are some salts such as calcium carbonate, silver chloride, etc., which are not soluble in water. Uses of acid in our daily life. When scorpion or wasp sting us, a base named histamine is responsible for irritation and swelling. To treat the sting, the paste used contains vinegar and baking soda, which are acids. They react with the histamine and neutralize it. Therefore, pain, irritation and swelling reduce. Number 2. After taking rich diet like pulao, biryani, etc., we drink Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Sprite, etc. to digest food. A specific amount of hydrochloric acid required in the stomach. Soft drinks are slightly acidic and so helps to digest food. Lemon, orange, apple, guava, gooseberry, star fruit, etc. contain different types of organic acid which are essential for us, such as vitamin C or ascorbic acid helps us in repairing wounds and lack of it in human body causes disease named scurvy. Number 4. Vinegar or acetic acid are used to preserve pickles of mango, olive, etc. lactic acid present in borhani and curd that is helpful in digestion rich foods. Number 6. Baking soda is used to puff cake, biscuits and bread. Baking soda reacts with yeast and releases carbon dioxide which puffs baked items. Number 7. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid are main ingredients in household toilet cleaner. Number 8. The lead storage battery used in vehicles to run IPS to produce electricity by solar panel requires sulfuric acid. Misuse of acids and social effects. Some wicked people are committing serious crime, throwing acids on human body in one hand. On the other hand, they are misusing such valuable resources. From a study, it is seen that acid victims are usually girls or housewives. So, it is clear that due to acid terrorism, many talented and brilliant students cannot continue their study. When the victims are housewives, they lead an inhuman and miserable family life. So, we have to raise our voice against acid terrorism and also have to make people conscious of it. Okay, necessity of knowing pH. pH is very important for our soil and many other activities. We cannot quantitatively measure acidity or alkalinity by indicators. That can be done by measuring pH. Aqueous solutions of neutral substances containing no acid or base have pH 7. If acid is added to the pH lowers, further addition of acids lowers the pH further and so on. On the other hand, addition of alkyl to the aqueous solution of neutral substances increases pH, and the more alkyl is added, the more value of pH increases. So, we can say pure water pH 7. For acidic solution, pH is less than 7. For alkaline solution, pH is greater than 7. It is very important to know the pH in many cases, including human health, consumer products, agricultural practices, even in most of the industrial processes. pH is very important parameter. Necessity of knowing pH. First one is pH of human body is 7.4. May cause several health problems, even death. Number 2, saliva is very important part of food intake and digestion, and it is very effective when its pH is 6.6. The pH required for digestion in stomach is 2. An alternation of about pH 5 may hamper digestion. pH value less than 7 of urine indicators healthy condition. If the soil pH become lower than 3, soil nutrients like calcium, magnesium are lost, resulting in reduced fertility. If soil pH is more than 9.5, the fertility decreases. Highly acidic or alkaline conditions kill the beneficial microorganisms of soil. Number 8. pH is very important in industrial chemical process. Medicines, inks, baby food, lozenges, leather manufacturing, among others, are few examples where control of pH is essential. In addition, chemical reactions related to photography, electroplating on metallic substance, etc., in all cases, controlled pH is required. Okay, let's see what is the chemical characteristics of base. Change in color of indicators by chemical reactions. All bases change the color of red litmus paper to blue. Besides, they also change the color of other indicators such as methyl orange, methyl red, phenolphthalein, etc., which widely used in chemical laboratory. There is a chart about the change in color of indicators due to chemical reaction with base, and this chart you will show in your textbook and you must learn it. Behavior in water. Water soluble bases, alkyls produce hydroxyl in water. Reaction with acid. Base reacts with acid and produces salt and water by neutralization reaction. Use of alkyl in our daily life and caution. When bees sting, formic acid, malatrin and apamine are secreted. All these three cases, the acidic chemicals are responsible. So, we can use chemical substances that are able to neutralize those acids. Calamine is a lotion which contains zinc carbonate. It can be used to solve the problem. Baking soda can also be used. Use of alkyl to neutralize acidity of soil. You all know that increased acidity in soil lower the fertility. In such cases, alkyls bees can be used to neutralize the acid and fertility can be regained. The widely used bases are calcium oxide to adjust soil pH. Bases are household chemicals. In clean dishes we use hard soap and liquid soap which contain base, and our ammonium hydroxide is broadly used as household cleaner. Even the laundry soap is made from sodium hydroxide. Shaving foam is prepared from potassium hydroxide. Antacid tablets contain weak base such as magnesium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Caution in using base and alkyls. Alkyls like acid are equally corrosive and irritating to human body. So whenever we use alkyls, we must wear latex, hand gloves and apron. Neutralization reaction and its importance. Hydrochloric acid responsible for acidity undergoes a neutralization reaction with magnesium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide present in antacid. Therefore, excess hydrochloric generated in stomach no longer prevails there and we do not feel pain anymore. Soil acidity is removed by lime or slaked and the neutralization reactions happen. They are shown below. 2 hydrochloric acid plus magnesium hydroxide produce magnesium chloride plus water. So it can be concluded that neutralization reactions are playing crucial role in our daily life. Now we can see what is the characteristics and the use of salts. Salts are the products obtained by the chemical reactions between acid and base. Almost all the salts are solid having high melting point and most of the salts are soluble in water. Use of salt. The salt which is making our dishes tasteful is none other than sodium chloride, which is also known as table salt. Other than kitchen vegetables or curry, many of our food stuffs including breads, pickles, chanachur, etc. require salt for improved taste. To enhance the taste of food items, another salt known as tasting salt. The soap we use for washing clothes is basically a salt named sodium stearate, where shaving gel or foam is another salt, potassium stearate. Moreover, soda used for washing clothes is also a salt and it is sodium carbonate. Copper sulfate kill the germs. There are some pictures of different types of salts. Use of salt in agriculture. Soil acidity is neutralized by limestone. Inorganic fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate, ammonium phosphate, potassium nitrate are applied as plant nutrients and they are salts. Copper sulfate is widely used in agriculture and that is salt. Industrial use of salt. In industry, salt is essential for many purposes. Salts are needed in the leather industry for tanning leather, in industrial production of butter, for producing baking soda, electrolysis of sodium hydroxide, etc. Some salts such as copper sulfate, mercuric sulfate and silver sulfate are used as catalysis in industry. In textile and manufacturing industries, salt is essential for the day-on fiber. Salt is required to purify metal in industry. Salt is also used in rubber industry, pharmaceutical industry, for manufacturing detergent. From the above discussion, it can be concluded that salts are playing very important role in our daily life, agriculture and industry. And there is a homework for your next day. You must complete this homework and submit your subject teacher. Okay, goodbye. That was our science class from chapter 7. See you again. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.